Welcome to another TechHub.Training solution video. This is the solution video for Techware logistics. This is an Excel challenge, and let's just dive right into it. So the challenge says that you work for a logistics company, Techware Logistics. You're a VBA specialist, and you are tasked with developing an inventory management system in Excel using VBA. So your solution should generate alerts for low stock levels and also create restocking reports. Right now, the system is very inefficient and slow and leads to lots of errors. So your first task is to create a low stock alert system. So this will go into your Excel file and trigger an alert when one of your products that you sell is low stock. Then your next is to create a restocking report. So this will generate a report for whoever is using it to identify which products need to be restocked because they are low stock. So let's dive right into it. So here we have the Excel, and you can see there's a list of various products: microwave, smartwatch, all kinds of different products, supplier, when it was last restocked, and then the current stock levels. So we want to check the low stock if the current stock is below the reorder level. So we're going to go straight into VBA, and you can see we have our macro right here for the check low stock. So what we do is we first set the worksheet so that VBA knows where we're working, and then we want to figure out which loop through until the last row. So you can see this finds what our last row is, and then we're going to set low stock found to false, and then we're going to run this loop, and this loop does what we've mentioned. It'll highlight the cells in red when they are low stock, and then it'll also remove colors if there was something that was low and got restocked. So perfect, we can run it, and we get a warning that says some items have fallen below their reorder level, and you can see there are multiple items right here that are low stock. So once we have that, then we want to generate a restocking report. So what this will do is it'll alert and provide another sheet of which items need to be reordered. So similar thing, we're going to set the worksheet inventory, and then if there already is a sheet with a report, we're going to delete that sheet to make a new one. And then we're going to loop through and find every single sheet that is low, and then we're going to recommend a reorder quantity and then create the report. So that's the code, and let's go ahead and run this one. So you can click here, and it will delete. This is just to delete the current report that we have, and then it will create the new one, and you can see the items that we had highlighted are on this report. Now your final step is to make these buttons. This is very simple. Once you have your code written, you just go into insert right here. You can see the button. You will click that and then draw your button over here on the side. And then once you have it, you can right click on your button and hit assign macro and assign it to which macro you have just started. So I hope you enjoyed that video, and there you go.